Hi, welcome to this week's Macadam Nights How-To.
This week's how-to, soldering with
Ava! I'm Ava. And I'm Addie. And this week we will be showing you how to solder a wire. I've already pre-cut these two wires with my wire cutters. And next you take your wire strippers and you strip both ends. You want to have a good amount on both wires so that you have plenty of room. Next, you take your two wires and you put them across each other in an X form and you wrap them around each other.
Why do you do it like an X?
Because it's a stronger way to do it, and so even if they're not soldered, they hold on pretty well. Next, you put in this so you don't have to hold on to it. And you take your soldering iron and your solder. And you might want to put a little bit on the tip of the soldering iron just to get it started. And you never want to paint your solder onto your wire. You want it to melt into the wire.
Why don't you want to paint it?
Because it's not a strong connection and it won't hold as well.
Really?
Yeah. And so you just place your soldering iron up against your wire and you place the solder right above it onto the wire and you have to wait for it to melt on. Sometimes it can take a bit longer for thicker wires.
How hot does the end of the soldering iron get?
It can get pretty hot, so you never want to touch it or else you'll burn yourself. And the wire can also get hot too, so you also want to be careful of that. There we go, now it starts to melt onto the wire. You want to get it all over so that's a strong connection.
Now, what's the point of soldering?
Soldering is to make wires longer, so in case you have just like a little teeny one and you need a wire to be a lot longer, you can do this as well. You can also tin a wire so that there are not all the little wires all over.
What if I cut the wire off of something? Can I use solder to put it back on?
Depends how long it is. You have to have enough room to be able to strip the wire. And if it's way too close, you also might want to be careful of the thing that you stripped it off of. And so you can see, nice strong connection. And you also want to be careful of the wire because like I said, it can get pretty hot. And that is your how-to solder.
That was this week's episode. Please tune in for next week's.
Thanks for watching. Sorry, that one was a bit longer. Oh,
Dogs are always on track.
I forgot! Bloopers! Gag reel! Ava. And I'm Addie. And then blah, 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 blah.
This is our snapping turtle. His name is Fred.